What's happening, me gente, Louie the Boiler Man? Guys, we're here in Far Rockaway, Queens, New York, baby. That's right. We're in the heart of South Queens. And over here, I want to show you guys we're working on a steam boiler. It's a high-pressure steam boiler. It's a Cyclotherm Boiler. That's the brand. And guys, right now, what you're looking at, we're working on the refractory or the front wall. We call it the front wall because it's the front wall which is protecting the actual burner assembly, which the burner assembly is right here. Oh, to your left, you can take a quick look. Alright guys, so now you saw the burner assembly. Guys, this is here for a reason. Why this is for a reason? It's because it's a high temperature cement. That's really all it is. We call it refractory, but refractory, just to make it simplified, like I said, is cement for high temperature. Because think about how hot it gets inside the boiler. Remember, it's a boiler. Listen to the word boiler. Boiler is making steam, plus it's high pressure steam. So you can just imagine the temperature inside the firebox or the chamber. So right now, he's cleaning it up. It has I would say about 8 inches in diameter, and right here this ring has about 4 inches. So what it's doing is protecting the actual burner assembly. So we don't want the integrity of the metal or the burner assembly to go bad, because when it gets very hot, the metal gets brittle, it starts falling apart. What else? It actually will burn out the controls. So it's to protect the burner assembly, to protect the metal, and to protect all the components all around the actual burner assembly. So guys, if you have any needs for your commercial boiler, industrial boiler, because typically you're only going to see this on a commercial industrial application. That's what we do, guys. So listen, you guys call Louie the Boiler Man 516-377-5200. back of the boiler, or the culo of the boiler, if you know what I'm talking about. That's right, the junk in the trunk, if you know what I mean. So guys, right now we're in the back of the boiler, like I was saying, and we're here where this door is at. So this door right here, let me show you guys, I'm out in the way. So guys, this is the door and that's the code. So right now the ring is brand new because the ring was deteriorating. Again, remember what I told you guys about before? With high temperature throughout the course of time, guess what? It starts becoming brittle and starts falling apart. So we had to install a new ring. So this is 4 inches wide and it's 30 inches from left to right in diameter. And we have to get my welder Julio, shout out to Julio, to weld this together for us because otherwise we cannot pound the refractory. So the refractory is going to be on the door. And also we're going to put a new refractory around the back of the boiler, which is going to be here around the whole perimeter. It's a little hard to see in the camera. However, we have to install some brackets. We have to install some little L brackets, or, you know, it looks something like this. And the reason for that, because we need something to grab on. So he's gonna weld that in. We're gonna install the refractory. We're gonna pound the refractory in, and you're gonna show the before and the after, and you're gonna see at the end what it looks like. So guys, this is a team effort. This is something I cannot just do by myself. I got my team with me. I also got a welder with me. So guys, if you have any commercial needs, boiler needs for your boiler and commercial boiler, that is what I do. You talk to the puppy right here. So if you have any questions, any problems, call Louie the Boiler Man, 516-377-5200. With that being said, Hvac, and stay tuned for the magic to happen. Woo-wee! Woo! Gente, firing the hole, baby. That's right. We finished wrapping her up. She's firing. She's working. She's making steam, Papa. That's right. So listen, this is what I'm talking about, baby. It's boiler season. So if you need heat, I'll bring the heat. So call Louie the Boiler Man, 516-377-5200. Hvac.